always like to set my primer with a light shadow. This shadow is from the Morphe 350 palette. Now you want to add some color to the crease, so I always like to start light and then keep adding color. Now you just want to go and blend it out, make sure everything's blended, because don't nobody want no unblended eyeshadow. So just keep doing it, and then yeah, your arm might feel like it's coming apart, but it's okay. You just want to keep blending. Now I'm just cutting the crease, again same thing, using that concealer that I used to clean up the eyebrows. You want to be really precise here, so you really want to use something very flat. This does take time, so just be careful. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Primer, and you want to prime that cut crease so you can go ahead and put the glitter on top. And you just want to follow what you did with the concealer. This is the NYX loose glitter that I'm using, and it's called Crystal. You do want to take your time with this step just because you don't want glitter all over your face. And if you do get glitter on the face, just use like a wet towel or a fluffy brush. I should have just used tape for this step, but I was just going with it, so don't judge me, okay? Okay. I did decide to go a little darker on the crease, so you want to be extra careful with this step just because you don't want to ruin your glitter and get it all over the eyelid, because then it's just going to ruin your look. So be extra careful. Also, if you feel like this look could be a little darker, just add a little more darkness in the crease earlier before you even apply the glitter. Here I was just like, I should make it a little darker. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, I'm going to lightly contour her. So my camera did die in the middle of applying her eyelashes and liner, so if you want a separate video on how I do eyeliner, just let me know and I will definitely upload that for you guys. Other than that, for blush, I am using the Tarte blush in Paaarty, and then I'm going in and setting the contour with Bobbi Brown's bronzer in medium. For lips, I am using the Kat Von D Lolita lipstick. It's part of their Everlasting lipstick, which I'm sure you guys heard of it already. But Lolita is actually my favorite lip color ever. So this is a finished look. It did take me a while, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye! Oh, yo? Agárrate. So this is the finished look. Chécate. Bitch, is you black? Chécate. You're recording. Se mira bien.